Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can spot a fake Audio Technica ATH M50x in 2026. So first of all, you need to take a look at the box or the packaging. The original Audio Technica packaging is high quality, clean and will be properly printed, whereas the fake ones often have blurred text, spelling mistakes or poor finishing. Also, you need to check if all the accessories are included in that particular box. After doing so, you just have to simply check the headphone themselves. The real ATH M50X has a solid build, smooth hinges and premium ear cushions. The fake ones usually feel lighter, cheaper and have loose joints. The original models are known for its durability and professional construction. After that, you need to inspect the Audio Technica logo. So here, the real unit, the branding is really very sharp, centered and clean, whereas the fake ones may have misalignment logos or faded printing. Also, you need to check the model number if it should be printed clearly. The original ATH M50X comes with the 3 detachable cables and it also carry a pouch. If you are missing the cables or the quality looks cheaper, it means that it is a red flag. Finally, you can also test the sound if possible. The original headphones deliver you the clear, balanced, professional audio, whereas the fake ones usually sound muddy or overly bass heavy. So you can try all of these steps one by one and see, or you can confirm whether your Audio Technica ATH M50X is fake or real. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.